CNC punching. CNC punching. CNC punch presses are electromechanical devices that move tools and generate patterns from a software file using computer programming inputs. These machines are available with a single head and tool rail or a multi-tool turret. A CNC sheet metal punch can easily stamp shapes into metal pieces. How does CNC programming work? The desired pattern is given in either a 2D DXF or a DWG file format or a 3D format in the computer-aided design (CAD) file. This data is then used in the computer-aided manufacturing (CAM) phase of the cycle to choose the best tooling for the job and to fabricate the flat sheet metal component. What can CNC punching create? The materials that can be used in CNC machines are endless, everything from stainless steel, aluminum, brass, wood, plastic, and more can all be punched. The ideal range of thickness that can be machined is 0.5 mm to 6 mm. Advantages of CNC punching: increased productivity, accuracy and speed, efficiency, safe and cost effective. Things to remember when designing: hole sizes should ideally not be less than the sheet metal gauge being CNC punched.
For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe. For detail, please visit my YouTube channel and please subscribe.